Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can change notification bar icons on this device. First of all, open Tab menu. Now you need to click at the three dots at the top right corner of it and choose Edit Buttons. Then if you want to get rid of one of these shortcuts, you have to hold it and drag it to the top on the white area over here. If you want to add one, you have to do the same, but the other way around. So for example, if you want to add Bluetooth icon over here, you need to hold it and drag it below. To save your changes, click Done. As you can see, my buttons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!